text command to put our words in. I can obviously hit it right there at the great big A, multi-line text. It's also just a T at the command line, enter. The first thing it asks for is the first corner. So I'm going to click on the corner. It asks for the opposite corner. I'm going to click on the opposite corner. A couple of things I need to set up before I just start typing in here. Remember, our text height up here goes here, and I'm going to put in 0.125 to set that to 0.125. Yours probably does not say Century Gothic, so we want to make sure we find Century Gothic in here, and there it is. The last thing we want to set up is our justification. So I'm going to click on that one, and I'm going to scroll down to middle center, and that will center that inside of that box. Now, if I remember right, we want this to be Tech 1. Make sure you put cap locks on so that it's always capitalized. That's one of our drafting standards. Then I can just click off anywhere on the screen, and I have that. Now, I could do another text box right here, but I don't want to set all that up again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy. So CO is copy. I'm going to click on text 1, enter, and I'm going to use this corner as my base point or my displacement point and copy that to the next box, to the next box, to the next box. I'm going to hit escape. Let's double click on Tech 1 right here and change this text. I can highlight it. I think this is where our scale is going to go. And I'm going to go 1 to 1 just as a base reference. Let's click on this one. This is where our date is going to go. So today is January, and I believe it is the 18th, and 2013. The last box is the period. Please make sure this is correct. Whether it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8, please make sure that is correct. All right, so I've got the bottom filled out. Let's go put our new text boxes in for here and here. So T, enter, click on the corner, click on the other corner. Notice I have to set everything up again, 0.125, Century Gothic, justification, middle center, and this is where our name of our drawing is going to go. So, whoops, it did not stick at 0.125, so let's try to set that again. Whoops. And we'll type name of drawing. Click off. So let's use the copy command again and copy that from endpoint to endpoint. And this is where our name is going to go. Please put your name right there. I'm just going to put drawn by, or I can put Mr. Roberts, or that will be your name, please. The last box is going to be the name of our high school. So let's put one more text box in. Endpoint to endpoint. We're going to set it up at 0.125 again. Century Gothic, justification is middle center. And we are at Wasatch High School. And we have our title block filled out. The last thing for Wasatch High School, our border lines are always red. So I'm just going to highlight all of my border lines and click on that one. So I'm just highlighting all of my border lines. And I want to change those border lines to red. So underneath my color wheel over here, I can see that they're white right now. I want to change those to red. And I am ready to begin printing at this point.